Unboxing the MeloBuds N20 feels clean and methodical, with a presentation that reflects a focus on practicality rather than excess. Inside the box, the earbuds arrive pre-seated in their charging case, accompanied by a USB-C cable, multiple pairs of silicone ear tips, and a straightforward user manual. The inclusion of extra ear tips is particularly important here, as achieving a proper seal directly impacts both sound quality and ANC effectiveness. The packaging is compact and efficient, aligning with the product's portable ethos. In hand, the first impression is of a lightweight yet thoughtfully constructed device. The charging case features a smooth, matte finish that resists fingerprints reasonably well and fits comfortably in a pocket. The lid mechanism feels stable with a reassuring snap, while the earbuds themselves sit securely in their charging slots. MeloBuds N20 strike a balance between durability and comfort. The earbuds are ergonomically shaped to contour naturally to the ear, making them suitable for extended listening sessions without fatigue. While they do not aim for a premium metal or glass aesthetic, the plastic construction is solid and well finished, avoiding any sense of fragility. Daily use reveals a product designed with real-world scenarios in mind. Battery performance is consistent with its claims, delivering up to 10 hours on a single charge without ANC and slightly less when noise cancellation is active. The total 40-hour capacity with the charging case ensures several days of moderate use without needing to recharge. Fast charging is a practical addition, providing a quick boost when time is limited. The dual device connection works seamlessly, allowing effortless switching between, for example, a smartphone and a laptop, an increasingly essential feature for hybrid work environments. In conclusion, the QCY MeloBuds N20 present a compelling package that prioritizes functionality, adaptability, and performance. They may not aim to redefine premium design standards, but they excel where it matters most: sound quality, noise cancellation, battery life, and connectivity. For users seeking a reliable pair of ANC earbuds with advanced features like multi-point connection, AI call enhancement, and customizable audio, the MeloBuds N20 stand out as a pragmatic and high-value choice in their segment.